Faith lives on God's testimony, not man's approval. Verse 2, for by it the elders obtain a good testimony. My brother and sister in the Lord, God placed a testimony in your life. Or God made a testimony in your life. Before Christ, when you receive Christ, and now after you receive Christ. You need to tell your story to your friends. Ask their story. Build relationship. Discipleship is simply building relationship with others. And then share your testimony. Share your history. How the Lord changed you. How the Lord saved you. How the Lord transformed you. How the Lord formed you. How the Lord anointed you. How the Lord blessed you. How the Lord used you. Tell your story. Because you have a powerful story that other people needs to hear. The problem is we shut our mouth. And we talk like Marites when we don't need to talk like Marites. The Filipinas, they laugh. You know what I'm talking about. They gossip. They talk others' lives. No, gossip Jesus. Talk about Jesus. Share His life to others. How He touched your life. How He changed your life. How He blessed your life.